What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Prophet. I'm back for my next video. So y'all see my girl sitting over here in the garage on retirement, I guess you could say. But I am finna take y'all on this little journey with me today. Cause I'm finna go to an auto auction and kind of look around. I got my eyes on a pickup truck, so I can have me a pickup truck and a trailer, so I can start attending some of these out of state car shows. You know, I'm tired of sitting here on YouTube and Instagram watching these videos and I can't attend them, so I need me a workhorse. So I'm finna hit this auto auction. I'm gonna bring y'all along with me, show y'all what I'm eyeballing, and then we're gonna see where we go with this. Look at that trophy sitting over there in that corner. If y'all seen my last video, Labor Day weekend, I won my first trophy. If y'all didn't see that video, man, go check it out. You know, the girl brought one home. So let's go ahead and get to this. Let's go. So I'm down here at this Greater Detroit auto auction, and I came to see a couple of pickup trucks. Not doing no Ford. You know, it got to be a Chevy. This is the one I seen online. I don't know. It's Michael Bates. It's a little more rusty than what I thought I seen online, but let's check it out a little bit. I'm hoping it got an LS motor inside of here, a 5.3 or a 6.0. Let's see if we can find a tag anywhere. This is a 2009. See that tag? Right here. You can tell the year. So this auto auction has changed a little bit. You used to be able to, well, you still can start them up and listen to them run. Key should be on the steering column. But you can't move the cars. You can't drive them. They used to pull them inside and do the auction in person. Now they do it on a TV screen. I don't really like that, but look at that sunroof. Sounds good when it started up. Let's do a full walk around. There it is. It's a 5.3. Ground's pretty good. So sounds good. Check engine light is on, but it's a 5.3. I can use this to haul my trailer, or I can snatch that motor out, do a LS swap, either one. But yeah, man, let's see. I'm gonna see what it go for in the auction. I'm gonna walk around a little bit more, look at what they got out here in the yard. It's a few other cars. I'm not really interested in anything else besides a pickup truck with an LS engine. You know, so. It goes into gear good. Again, you can't even drive these cars. That's the thing I don't like about it. I used to like buying cars from auctions, man, but when you have to just look at them and listen to them run, you can't really move them around and see if they switch gears good, man. It's kind of like a risky thing to do, but it's a chance you got to take. As long as the motor runs good, I mean, I'll be satisfied with that. Check out the tailpipe, make sure I don't see no smoking. Got the trailer hitch. So I'm about to check the oil and a few other things and then cut y'all back on so I can get my mind made up. But that's pretty much all I see as far as rust, like some bubbles right here. That'd be a good workhorse. 2009 Silverado. Alright. I'll cut y'all right back on in a minute. How you doing, man? Oh, Cadillac. Second chance. Wow. Look at this clean Bronco right here. Somebody customized this boy. I like this color on here. Boy, pretty clean. Some nice mud tires on there.
You got a home run. Here we go down here. Look at about four there. What do you go find? $2,500 bid here. Got to get in. What do you go for there? What do you go find? 25, but we'll call on that one there. Got to take it there. Number 69. So here we go down here. Got to get down here. Running down here. Here we go down here. Same way. Here we go down here. Got 25, 26 on this one. Don't know, but here we go, new Cartridge Gun. New Cartridge with 138 rounds on it. 25, 2600, 26 here. Got pretty clean unit here. 970, $28 bid. Now 9. You got to be 9. Let's go. $2,900 bid here. Got to get in. What do you go eat? Now 9. $2,900 bid here. Got to get in. What do you go eat here? What do you go 9? $2,900 bid here. Got to clean truck. Capital. Everything goes with it. 29 here. Got to get in. What do you go eat or 9? $2,900 bid here. Got to get in here. Number 70. Number 70 time here, got to get out here, running time. Here we go down here, got to get in. What are you going to do here? So we're out of time. Here we go down here, Michael Bates time here. Got to
That's the one you're looking at. Yeah, the, down, no, not the down there, no, that one's cold.
Yeah, the drinks. Hey man, no break. Come on, let's go.
Here we go down here. They're looking at $9,000 on this one here. Jerry, I'm going to go right in the middle there, guys. Here we go down here. $6,000, 61, 62, 63, 64, 6,500, 65 new Cartridge, guys. $6,500 bid here, down here. Oh, guarantees I can even call there. $6,500 bid here. Got to get in. What do you go for there? What do you go by? $6,500 bid. $6,500 bid here. Got to get in. What do you go for there? What do you go by? 65. Last call. $6,500 bid here. Now 64. Now 5. 65. And we'll call there. $6,500 bid. 64. 5 here. Now $600 bid. $600 bid here. Got to get in. What do you go? $600 bid. $600 bid here. What do you go? 6 here. Got to get in. What do you go? 600. We'll call 6,500 on it. Got a long way to go on that one.
Long way.
Thank you, Mike. 9257. 9257. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if we got a call. Thank you. 9257.
So hopefully y'all seen that auction. That 2009 Silverado just went for $6,500 on a, if they got to call the owner. But he wants $9 grand for it. It has 159,000 miles on it, but it had a red light, which means it has other issues, underlying issues. So it's clean, but for $9 grand, no sir. Couldn't even drive the car. I mean the truck. Ain't no way I'll spend $9 grand on some shit I couldn't even drive. So I'm gonna keep my search going. It is a clean truck inside, but it just needed some work done to the outside, man. But not for $9 grand, no sir. Anyway, yeah, so I'm just trying to find me a nice little workhorse iron with an LS inside of it. This right here wasn't my deal. So, hope y'all enjoy this short video. Make sure you like it, leave a comment, share it. All that YouTube stuff y'all already know, man. Let me continue my search. Y'all stay locked in. Let's get to it, baby. I'm out here for a little night cruise, cruising the city. I got my girl out. So we're gonna bend a few corners, man. See if we can catch y'all here tonight. Get y'all a little bit of content. Go blue, y'all see the hat, man. That's something to put on, man. Appreciate you, brother.
So just sit back and relax, because tonight I'm gonna be doing some things that no man has ever done. Alright?